mukbang. So hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, we have a new car. It's a prank. No, it's not my car. So for today's vlog, we will know the details. Today's vlog, mga madam. So we have the guest that actually the owner of this car, beautiful car, is from my cousin, and the one who will introduce, and then we will have the car tour inside. So it's my vloggy buddy. Hoy, vloggy buddy, please come here. Come on, Nicole. Presenting my vloggy buddy, beautiful niece from Texas. Yeah, introduce yourself again.
Okay. Wait, is it recording?
Yes, already.
Hello! Welcome to this car video. You can call me Nicole, and I'll be the English-speaking,
Vloggy buddy.
vloggy buddy for this video. So what we have here is a Toyota Venza. I think that's the name of it. And as you can see, it has a very beautiful gunmetal gray color, when in certain lighting can look and have a greenish hue. Isn't that cool?
Okay, so
yeah, there's people can sit in the car.
so we'll have the two inside and the back side and the right and the left side. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. First.
Maybe like this.
Okay, on this side. Okay, you go. I will just take the video. All right. Wow, this is the color. What's the color of this one?
I say gunmetal gray with a greenish hue under certain lighting.
All right. Sige, buhiin na lang. Kuno lang.
Were you recording me the whole time?
Yes!
So
Yes, of course. You're going to
it looks like
pour us inside the car.
It looks like it can hold like 2, 3, 6, like
7 seaters.
yeah, 7 seaters, and it has like this little backside thing that pops out if you need any extra seating or room. That's very cool. Want to have a lot of room for any big families and such. Here there is a backside windshield wiper, and yeah, that's so far for the backside. Very nice view.
Yeah. All right, so let's go in this side.
Yeah. As you can see, so this is what the inside of the car looks like. There's still plastic coverings, but bear with us, folks. Yeah, it has that fresh car smell.
Wow.
Look at that very clean interior design. I like the pattern on the shoulder parts of the car seats and on the base part here.
Now you can get inside. Is it hot?
No, not really.
Okay.
Just like,
So is it okay?
yep. So very comfortable.
How about in front? Can we do that? We cannot open in this side, so we will go here in the other side.
So this is what the driver's seat would look like.
It's the driver's seat.
You got your accelerator, your brakes. Very clean, bulky wheel.
Can you drive? You know
I don't
how
have
to
a
drive?
license, but I know how to drive a bit. There's also a little monitor here. for
yes.
GPS, Bluetooth, any of your wishes, including possibly like a back camera in the back for parking. There's a very kind of small-ish like car pocket area. It's small, but it makes do, and there is a car charger here in case you want to charge. Trying to see. So there's like a DVD player here, I think. Wait, I don't think that is. No. Forgive me, folks. This is just like AC, cooling, like heating stuff and fans. And like, if I'm correct, yeah, there's like, yeah, this controls like the weather. I mean, not weather, temperature of the car,
inside the car.
like, and things like that. You got a good rear view angle. You can see the cars from behind. And it's very cool. It tells you what doors are opened or not through this little visual, there. There's like, if you look closely here, you have some buttons for like the music. So that's very cool. You don't need to.
It's very convenient then to.
It's convenient, and it encourages safety amongst drivers.
Yes,
So
exactly.
that's very good. And if you look closer here, you can do it with your phone and microphone as well. So convenient.
Bluetooth, by Bluetooth,
Yeah,
right?
Bluetooth. Like you
okay.
can like call your relatives in the car, be like, "Hey, what's up?"
Okay. How about this one? It's the
Yeah, that's like typical standard like window, like what's it called? Like driver's control, I guess.
All right. And let's go to the back.
Yeah, we already went to the back.
I mean, the
Back seat.
yes.
Well, can it open?
Can we open?
Okay, well the back seat isn't like put up yet. But here's what it would look like when it is up. So, oh shoot.
Okay.
So, it's very comfortable. Well, sort of. If we just put that thing up, there's like a headrest over here, like, that would be visible if we put it up. Same thing with here. It's very convenient for those who want to have extra relatives for the trip.
Yeah.
Or if you just want to have some
So
space.
yesterday you had the other car. Which one do you think it's more comfortable? The car yesterday.
The car yesterday was, yeah, it was comfortable. Well, this one, because it's this thing, I don't know how to move it, so it's like weirdly. But
Maybe we can move this one. Can we move the chair?
Yes. Yeah, ma-move ka. Katos ka ni siya, maka-move.
It can be moved backward.
Yeah, so that's very cool. If you don't have any extra relatives or friends, you can put it back,
Lay down.
relax, chill out with your friends.
Hindi siya mahigda.
And you can, yeah, and like she said, you can probably turn it into a bed. Convenient if you want to sleep during the trip or whatever. Or survival reasons, you know. If you gotta be in your car for a while.
Let's have the TikTok first.
TikTok? Oh
Yes.
my goodness. Oh yeah, forgot to mention there's a car charger there. That's very convenient.
Yeah.
Like I said, for extra traveling, whatever.
And some space here for the food. Food and
For
drinks.
food and drinks,
Yes.
very cool.
All right.
So what's the TikTok? What's the TikTok about?
We will dance TikTok. The music.
Yeah, like what is it?
I will search. What do you want? Do you know some music?
Next time na lang pag kuha ninyo, pag house tour.
O, diba?
I don't know, cause I'm like, I don't really use TikTok that much. I don't dance it or anything. Paro, G.
But you dance well with the
Oh,
paro-paro G.
Yeah, it's cause I was like spazzing out like an animatronic.
Man na.
Tingka to, di lang ang rasa.
Inaral, matog naman na. Yes, haputun na yung...
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 of times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? Doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard.